Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to install WhatsApp on iPad. So right now guys, if you want to install WhatsApp, you have to go to App Store, and if you search for WhatsApp in the search section, if you go for it, you will see various supporting WhatsApp application, but none of them are official. All of them are web-based application, and all of them has lots of ads and irritation things. So if you want to use WhatsApp, so right now guys, WhatsApp team is making WhatsApp app for the iPad, and they are in progress. So they have rolled out the WhatsApp beta feature, but right now it is full, so you can't use WhatsApp app. But here's the alternative option, and which is also not irritating. What you have to do guys, you have to open browser on your iPad, and once you open it guys, just search for web WhatsApp. Here you can see that. So when you open it, click on the first link over here, and it will take you to the WhatsApp. But before that guys, you have to log in with your user with you have to log in into this WhatsApp web version using the QR code. Right now I can't show you the whole screen because due to the few numbers, important numbers over there. So if you want to use it, let me log out first here from here. So if you want to use it guys, what you have to do is you will see here when you open it first time, you will see here the QR code. So what you have to do, you have to open your mobile application or WhatsApp in mobile, and just tap on three dot over here. Let me show you the three dot over here, and just tap on this linked devices. And now guys, here you can see there the linked device button over here. Just tap on it and just authenticate. And now you have to just scan the QR code of the WhatsApp on your iPad, and boom, your all the WhatsApp chat and all the everything guys will be in your WhatsApp will be seen here. And now you can chat on WhatsApp using iPad. You can open any chat over here. Let me show you. And now you can talk to anyone here. You can message anyone you want. So but right now, WhatsApp team also working on the calling feature on web version. Right now, it is not available, but in the future, we will see the calling feature as well. So yeah, hope you like it, guys. That's how you can use WhatsApp on iPad. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more video till then.